What if the secret to better energy, glowing skin, and stronger immunity is already in your kitchen? These natural juices don't just taste amazing, they can actually transform your health. Alright, let's have a little chat. What if I told you that the secret to feeling absolutely brilliant, with loads of energy and that lovely glow, isn't in some fancy, expensive bottle? What if it's right there, sitting in your fruit bowl, hiding in your fridge? Your kitchen, my friend, is the most powerful health hub you've got. Too often, we reach for sugary fizzy drinks or cartons that have been sitting for ages. They're packed with sugars you don't need, and the good stuff gets processed out. Making your own juice from fresh fruits and veggies is a game changer. A high five of pure goodness. Real vitamins, essential minerals, and those clever antioxidants your body loves. So why bother with fresh juice when you can just grab a carton? Great question. Processed, pasteurized, packaged. A lot of goodness is lost along the way. The heat that makes it last longer can destroy delicate vitamins like vitamin C. Then companies pump in sugars and syrups to make it taste good again. It's like a sun-ripened tomato from your garden versus a bland one in winter. When you make your own, you get it all. A direct hit of vitamins and minerals in their most natural form. Your body absorbs these liquid nutrients quickly, giving an almost instant boost. Vitamin A for your eyesight, potassium for your heart, iron to get oxygen buzzing around your body. And antioxidants, sciencey word, simple idea. Daily stressors create little troublemakers in our cells. Antioxidants swoop in and neutralize them, protecting your cells from damage. They help slow aging, keep skin plump and youthful, and support immunity. It's easy, quick, and one of the best things you can do for yourself. Forget complicated gear. 5 minutes is all you need. You control what goes in. No hidden nasties, no sneaky sugars, just pure deliciousness. Right then, first up is an absolute classic, a real belter. I call this one the glow getter. 2 lovely sweet oranges, 2 beautiful crunchy carrots. That's it. Peel the oranges, scrub and roughly chop the carrots. No need to peel if organic. Bung it in your juicer or add a splash of water and blitz in a blender. Oranges are jam-packed with vitamin C, your immune system's best mate. Carrots bring beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A. Great for vision and glow. It's sunshine in a glass. A clean energy lift without the crash. Brilliant for kids too. Drink it fresh for peak nutrients. If you make extra, seal and chill. Same day. Lovely jubbly. Next up, something thicker to really keep you going. My Energizer smoothie. It's creamy, it's sweet, it feels like a dessert. You'll need a cup of strawberries, 1 ripe banana, and about a cup of yogurt or your favorite plant milk. The riper the banana, the sweeter. Spotty ones are smoothie gold. Hull, peel, chuck it all in. Lid on and blitz until super smooth. Add a splash of milk to loosen or a few ice cubes to thicken. Banana packs potassium for muscles and rhythm. Strawberries bring antioxidants. Yogurt or milk adds protein and calcium to keep you full. Use frozen fruit for ice cream texture and a tablespoon of oats for extra fiber and fullness. Less than 2 minutes. Perfect breakfast on the go or a brilliant afternoon pick-me-up. Don't be scared of green juice. This green machine is light, refreshing and delicious. Fresh spinach, a crisp green apple, half a cucumber, and a good squeeze of lemon to make it sing. Wash, core, chop, and blend with water or coconut water until smooth. Finish with lemon. Spinach brings iron and folate for energy and repair. Apple adds fiber and sweetness. Cucumber hydrates and cools. A gentle, cleansing juice. Fantastic first thing to kickstart digestion. If green's strong at first, add a second apple or a small ripe pear. Okay, this next one is a cracker. The tummy tamer. About a cup of pineapple, a thumb of fresh ginger, and water, or go coconut water for electrolytes. Peel and core pineapple. Scrape ginger skin. Blend together. Strain if you like it ultra smooth. Pineapple's bromelain helps break down proteins. Ginger calms nausea and eases inflammation. Have it about 30 minutes after a meal, or pre-workout to fire up metabolism. Now for summer in a glass. Watermelon and mint, the cool glow. 3 cups of seedless watermelon, a handful of fresh mint, and a squeeze of lime if you fancy. Blend with ice until frosty. Strain if you want it silk smooth, then pour over ice. Incredibly hydrating and cooling, great for skin glow. Watermelon brings lycopene. Mint aids digestion and refreshes. Perfect for hot days, post-workouts, or anytime you want a clean, refreshing lift. 5 easy, affordable recipes, all under 5 minutes, for energy, immunity, and glow. So there you have it. 5 simple, beautiful, ridiculously tasty juices you can make in minutes. A few simple ingredients for glowing skin, a burst of clean energy, and a helping hand for your immune system. Looking after yourself doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. It starts with real food. Small daily habits add up. Swap 1 sugary drink for 1 fresh juice and feel the difference. Over weeks, you may skip that 3 p.m. slump, see brighter skin, and face cold season with more fight. Juice is fantastic, as part of a balanced diet. Don't forget whole fruits and veggies for fiber. Listen to your body, have fun with flavors, and get the whole family involved. My call to action is simple. Just start. Pick 1 recipe and make it this week. Just 1. Go to the shop, grab the ingredients, and spend 5 minutes making something wonderful for yourself. Feel the goodness, taste the freshness, and give yourself a pat on the back. Your health doesn't start in the pharmacy. It starts in your kitchen.